I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: mic access, battery above 20%, and quiet environment. Open the voice control app now and sign in if required. Once done, select your language and a voice profile. This affects recognition accuracy and response tone. Make sure to pick the accuracy mode that matches your need: fast for commands, precise for dictation. Then test with a short phrase to verify input is registering, and adjust microphone position if levels look low. Now you build the command set and tune recognition. Start mapping essential actions to concise phrases. Keep commands distinct to avoid conflicts. Next, dial sensitivity and wake word thresholds so the app hears you without reacting to TV or others. Take time to run the training wizard. Speak the provided phrases naturally. This adapts the model to your voice and accent. Once trained, rehearse a few real tasks so you can see command response timing and tweak any labels that feel awkward. Finish by running through complete workflows. Say the wake word, give the command, and confirm the outcome aloud. If the app misinterprets you, pause and rephrase. Clear sentences help. Make sure to check the app logs for repeated failures, then retrain or delete specific commands that misfire. If problems persist, restart the app or device, recheck microphone permissions, and test a different headset or mic. One key troubleshooting tip: reinstalling the app resets corrupted profiles without changing your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.